In this session, we're going to be talking about other characteristics of master detail relationship. So this particular one says, if allow parenting is not selected, then we cannot change the owner, which means the parent, after the detail, which means the child record has been created. For example, in the previous scenarios, we created a car record, right? So we have created a car record and we related that car to Mike Donnie. So let's say when you were creating this car record, you made a mistake and accidentally you assigned that car to Mike, but in fact, that car belonged to another student. And now you want to change it. You want to assign the correct student to this car. Let's say Mike Donnie is not supposed to be the owner of this car and another student is supposed to be. And if that's the scenario, currently there's no way to fix it. So you cannot manually on this UI change the related student for this car. And that's because of this feature. If allow parenting is not selected, then we cannot change the owner of the child record, right? And you don't see this option over here. You don't see a pen icon over here to change, modify, and change the related student. But let's say we want the users to be able to change the owner. Sometimes they may do mistakes, right? They may assign the child record to a different parent accidentally, to a wrong parent accidentally, and they should be able to correct that. So in order to give that permission or to allow that feature, what we have to do is we have to select allow parenting checkbox. And it says child records can be reparented. Reparent means change the parent to other parent records after they are created. So in this scenario, after this car record is created, you cannot change it. While creating the car record, you can change it. For example, you can pick any student that you want. But after you create it, you cannot change it. See? That's why you don't see that option over here to change the student. So let's go ahead and fix that. Let's give our users the option to select another student record as a parent. So we have to now click this box. So how did I get to this page? Again, on the car object, you need to select this fields and relationship and then select that student field. That's because that's the master detail field, right? That connects this car object to this student object. So we're going to select this, edit, scroll down on this page, and then check this box. And then click Save. And then we will go back to our records and then do a refresh. Let's do another refresh. Now you see I have this pin icon. Previously I didn't have it. Now I can click on it and select another user to be the parent. It's glitching for me. And let me do another refresh. Okay, it doesn't want to delete it for some reason. I'll come back to this later on. And also meantime, I can create a new car and demo that on a new car. Model 4250. I'm just making up these models. And let's assign this to Johnny and save. And let's say I want to change the student from Johnny to another one. Okay, so previously it was Johnny. Now I'm going to check Mike, select Mike and click save. So I was able to change the previous owner to another owner. And that's because of this option that we selected, allow reparenting. We checked this box.